this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to trim your flying geese. So some patterns will have you make your flying geese a little bit oversized and then you trim them down to the exact size that you need. And this just gives you a little bit of wiggle room so that things don't have to be super precise whenever you're sewing. So it's pretty simple to do. There's a few things that you need to keep in mind. So first, we are going to make it so that our flying geese is so that it's pointed down. And then I'm going to take my square ruler that has a 45-degree line. So similar to trimming half square triangles, trimming flying geese using a ruler that has a 45-degree line is very helpful. So my flying geese needs to be 3 inches by 5.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is divide 5.5 inches in half, which is 2 3/4. So I'm going to find the 2 3/4 little dot on my ruler, and I'm going to line that up with the tip of this triangle. And then I'm going to use the 45-degree line, and I'm going to line up this seam with the 45-degree line on my ruler. So now I'm going to look over here. My flying geese extends past 5.5, which is what I want it to do. And then it also extends just past the 3-inch line. So now with this little dot in mind, and also this 45-degree line on my ruler in mind, I'm going to trim to the right and on top of my ruler. So you'll notice that this seam goes right into that corner there, and that's what we want. So then I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to take my ruler, place it over my flying geese, and then this time I'm going to align 5.5 inches on this side, 3 inches on the bottom, so we're going to be right on those lines. And then we want to keep in mind that we want 1/4 inch between the point of this flying geese and the edge of my ruler. So it'll be about on the 2 3/4 mark again. And then we'll trim. And there you have it. So again, keep in mind, you want these 2 seams to go right into the corner, and then you want 1/4 inch right here.